Good day, friends. Today we are going to see about Brayton cycle and then combined cycle power plant. Okay, so first of all, I am going to start with Brayton cycle. Actually, the Brayton cycle, the main component is gas turbine. So in this gas turbine, the air is taken through this inlet by the compressor, and here the air is compressed to the pressure ratio of 10 to 20 by the compressor using axial flow compressor, and this compressed air is passed to the combustion chamber. So in this combustion chamber, along with this compressed air, the compressed natural gas is also flowing to the combustion chamber. So when the compressed natural gas and compressed air are mixed together, then the combustion reaction takes place between methane and oxygen in air, which produces carbon dioxide and steam. And actually, the carbon dioxide and steam are produced at the very high pressure and temperature. So at that pressure and temperature, the hot gas comes out as an exhaust, which operates the gas turbine, and in turn the gas turbine generates power, and the exhaust gas after utilized by the gas turbine is sent to the atmosphere. So this is called as open cycle Brayton. It is called as open Brayton cycle, because the exhaust cycle is not reused in the Brayton cycle again. So here in this drawing, if you see, the blue color represents the flow of air and the orange and red color represents the flow of gas. Okay, and if you see here, there are in this drawing, there are two combustion chambers. One combustion chamber above the shaft. So here if you see, this compressor is directly connected to the gas turbine through a shaft. Okay, so the whatever the power it is generated by the gas turbine, so some of the power generated by the gas turbine is used by the compressor itself, and after compressor used the power generated by the gas turbine, the remaining power only come out as the power of Brayton cycle. Okay, and if you see the combustion chamber in this drawing, there are two combustion chamber. One combustion chamber on the top and another combustion chamber at the bottom. So here the compressed air enters the combustion chamber where the reaction takes place between methane and oxygen in air. And at this temperature, sometimes the nitrogen present in air also undergoes oxidation reaction to produce oxides of nitrogen. Okay, so the exhaust gas may contain CO2, H2O, and if the combustion is incomplete, it may contain CO also, that is carbon monoxide. And apart from this carbon dioxide, steam and carbon monoxide, if nitrogen is involved in the reaction, then oxides of nitrogen also may come out in the exhaust gas. Okay, so this is the simple diagram of Brayton cycle. So next I am going to show you the video. So how the gas turbine works. So if you see the video, it will be more clear to you. So see here, the air is entering and the exhaust gas is leaving from the integrated compressor, combustion chamber and gas turbine. So the main purpose of gas turbine is it is used for the power generator on the large scale, and it is used in aircraft engines on the smaller scale. So now next I am moving on to the combined cycle gas turbine. So see here the air is compressed in a compressor and it is sent to the combustion chamber where it reacts with natural gas, and the combustion gas, that is the gases produced from the combustion reaction, the combustion gas is going to the gas turbine where the hot high temperature and pressure hot gases are used to generate power, and the power it is transmitted to the transmission line. So as I told, the Brayton cycle is a open type. So the exhaust gas is sent to the atmosphere. So here what happens? The exhaust gas is again recycled. Okay, the exhaust gas is used by the heat recovery steam generator, where the heat from the gas turbine is used to heat the water and convert it into steam. Okay, and the steam is converted to power in a steam turbine, and the power generated by the steam turbine is again connected to the grid. Okay, and after the steam is used by the steam turbine, it become saturated vapor or saturated liquid. So here it is condensed using the condenser, and it is completely converted to water, and the water is again recycled back to the HRSG, that is heat recovery steam generator. And the gas coming out of the HRSG after utilization, after heating the water, is sent to the stack, which is sent to the atmosphere. Okay, so this is the process flow diagram of combined cycle power plant. In the next video, we will see about simulation of Brayton cycle in DWSim, which is an open source software. Okay, thank you and see you next video.